Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. Okay. So today's video, I'm showing you guys another little look when it comes to this split color medium back bohemian butterfly locks. Okay, but in this video, instead of me really just showing y'all a tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how I do the blue side as well. Okay, as well as what to do when your locks are too short, baby, and you need to add some length. You messed up. You need your locks longer. They all over the place. They all uneven. Girl, you don't know what to do. This video is for you. So I hope you guys like this content. Comment, subscribe, like, subscribe, share, subscribe. Y'all see how I added subscribe 3 times? Because y'all be watching these videos and not subscribing. So help a sister out, okay? And subscribe to this channel, okay? And I will talk to you guys soon, as in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the link to the hair will be in the description box below. I actually found the link to this exact hair. I did buy it from the hair store, but I did find it, so don't fret. Okay, you guys are going to see that this color is silver and blue. Okay, you see platinum, you see all that, but a lot of times people don't see the silver. So we have the silver in the color blue. I use 4 packs per color. Okay, 4 blues and 4 silvers. Okay, so yeah, so in the other video that you guys seen with this style, I did a little bit of the blue, but mostly the silver color. Okay, and I showed you guys how I do those and how many pieces I add, etc. However, I am going to repeat myself. So in the back of the head, I did use two pieces of hair per lock. Once I started getting to the top in the front, I do need more, so I use 2.5 pieces per lock. Okay, so some pieces I did use nail glue, some pieces I didn't. If I felt like I needed that extra security in that lock, I did use nail glue. If I didn't, I didn't use it. Okay, so one thing I can recommend is when the hair is super slippery, the client's hair is super slippery, or the hair that you buy is super slippery, to use like a Cuban twist Marley hair to braid the hair down first. Okay, just use that Cuban twist to braid the hair first, so that way you have some type of grip with these locks, with the hair that is being used. Okay, y'all, so here is the fun part. Okay, so as you can see, the lock is too short. I want to add length, so all I do is get the crochet needle, get a piece of the water wave hair, crochet it through the bottom of the lock. Okay, so that way it basically looks like a continuation of hair. Okay, so I highly recommend you guys get a thicker piece than what I grabbed, so that way it flows a lot better and you don't have to keep going over the same spot too many times. Okay, now if you had like the if you had like the Cuban twist Marley hair or something, I will crochet that down first and then crochet a piece on top of that at the bottom of the lock, like I'm doing right now, just to give you more hair to work with. Okay, but like I stated, I did not have that, so I'm just going to use the water wave hair, and I'm just going to literally continue like I never stopped. Okay, this is to add length. This is to add more length. If you have the length of the hair is too short, you're going to use this to add length. Okay, guys, so literally I'm just going to crochet through the bottom and then just continue wrapping and get to the length that I want by comparing it to the piece on the other side of the head around that same type of proximity. And then I'm just going to seal the ends, guys, like seal the ends with the either super glue or without anything if I don't need it. But that's basically it, y'all. I just crochet the hair at the bottom of the lock and then just continue going on and on and on. Sorry, y'all, I sound a little stuffy and congested because I am sick, okay? But that ain't stopping nothing. We're just gonna still continue with these videos, all right? So yeah, guys, so that's basically what you do when the locks are super short and you want to add some length and you messed up, honey. So that is it. I hope you guys gained some knowledge from this video and helped you guys out, okay? Just go ahead and continue watching the rest of this video and watch me kind of add length to the locks that I need to add length to. And I will talk to y'all in my next video. Make sure y'all subscribe, y'all. Hold on. Do it right now before I go. Subscribe, like, and comment. Blue hearts, okay? Blue hearts in the comment section if you got this far in the video, okay? Love y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for watching. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye. Mwah. Finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up in paradise, yeah. Without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.